Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Borderlands 4 game crashing, not launching, not loading or other issues on Xbox. So if you are also going through this kind of error, just follow the methods explained in this video. So the first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller. After that, select quit option. Finally, restart your game and check if the issue is fixed. If not, next solution is to clear Xbox cache. For that, press Xbox symbol. Now move down and select settings. Next, go to system. Then select console info. Here tap on reset console and then select reset and keep my games and apps option. And once done, now launch the game and see if it's working or not. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. For that, open settings, choose device and connections, then click on Blu-ray, select persistent storage and select clear persistent storage finally. So after this, check if the problem is resolved. Next solution is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, choose network settings, then test network connection, wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine and you can play the game without any problem. If not, next method is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. So after performing a power cycle, now see if it's working. Next solution is to check for Borderlands 4 update. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issue and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is any update available for the game and after that launch the game to see if it helps. Next is to clear Borderlands 4 cache. For that, press Xbox guide. Now go to my games and apps, then click on see all. Here search for Borderlands 4 game, then press menu, choose manage game and add-ons. Then tap on save data and click on reserved space. Finally, tap on clear reserved space. So after this, check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, next is to remove and re-add account. For that, first press Xbox button to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next, go to account, then remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove and select remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if the problem is resolved or not. Next solution is to check for Xbox update. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. First open settings on your Xbox, then select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and click it to begin updating. Once done, launch it and see if it is working now. Next is to check storage space. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system, then settings, then system storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused apps or games to create space, and after that launch the game and see if it is working or not. If not, next is to reinstall Borderlands 4 game. So for that, first press Xbox button controller, move to my games and apps, select see all option. Here select Borderlands 4. After that, press menu button, then select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Borderlands 4 official website and download the game and then try to play it and see if it helps to fix the issue. If not, then next is to contact support team. So when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error, and after that they will better guide you what to do, or else they will resolve it from their end to fix the problem. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.